Hello guys, good afternoon. Today we will create a hotspot using Mikrotik tools. And before we start, let me introduce myself first. Hello, my name is Aryanur Faraji Ramadan, ID 22014939. And now we start a video.
Okay guys, before we create a hotspot, at first I will explain you what is a MikroTik. So, MikroTik is an operating system software that is useful for turning a computer into a reliable network router by connecting devices on more than one network. And as you can see, this is the basic topology, and then I use for next the function. The function is for setting up and configuring a LAN or local area network using the MikroTik router OS PC along with very low cost hardware.
Hello guys, before we create a hotspot, I will review the tool, and then I'm use the Mikrotik. Yes, and here the things I use the Mikrotik, and I use for RB 941 series like this form of Mikrotik. The Mikrotik has a 4 port, as you can see. Yeah, in one this for internet, and number 2, 3, and 4 is for LAN, and this the power button is in here, and power reset, and the power use a micro USB. Okay, before we setting router board or MikroTik, first step is we will connected the power cable on this router board. Okay, as you can see, the power cable is use a micro USB, and then we plug in. That's is yeah, guys. You see the light? Yeah, in the mark is router is on.
Okay, so next step is connecting cable internet to number one. If you can see, number one is for internet. Hey guys, okay, we can plug in. Oh wait, as you can see, yeah, the cable internet is connected. So our next one is uh, you guys that cable UTP. We can connect it the MikroTik. Is MikroTik in number two to a PC client or PC host or maybe something. As you can see the mark in number two. Okay, before we setting up the MikroTiks, we must check the internet has already disconnected or not. We can see on this Windows bar, or we can check for browsing. Example, we search YouTube or Google. That's the internet has already disconnected. Okay, Next, we are using Winbox tool for setting up. We open the application, click run. First, log up for IP MikroTik and we connected. Okay. Next step, we click quick set, and then we give the IP address to the proxy. Okay, for the net mask we use /24. And next step is we provide the gateway with the gateway that the ESP gave us, like 192.198 and 1 in 1. Okay. Next, we provide the DNS server with 8.8.8.8. Okay, next we set the local IP address of the network. Okay, the next step we check the DHCP net bridge and all LAN ports. Okay, the next step is we give the router the identity or name of the proxy. And we can also give a password on the proxy. Example 123 for the password. Okay. Next, after that we apply. Then wait for our MikroTik to finish rebuilding. We will waiting. Okay. That's, as you can see, the identity or something else are already edited. Yeah. Oh, on the password, as you can see, we can input in 123. Connected. Okay. After waiting, we try to connect it. And yeah, we can go in the configuration as we edited. Okay, and the bridge has already connected. That's so we can check it to internet how it work. And yeah, the internet has already connected. Okay guys, after configuring Winbox, now we create a hotspot with access point TP-Link. Okay, first we in browser and click IP 192.168.0.1. As you can see, we in web TP-Link, and the web is we need create a password. Okay. For example, password is 1 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, for example. And 8. So the coffee password is same for a new password. Okay, click let's get started. Okay. Okay, for TP link select your time zone. We use Bangkok or Jakarta. Click next. We can skip. Okay, for the name SSID we can use, for example, Amicom, and the password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And oh yes, that's it. Click next. Okay, as we know, the picture is okay on SSID Amicom as password is okay. We can apply and waiting the configuration. Okay, after waiting, finally we completely setting access point in a web. As you can see, the internet IP for not we use dynamic IP, so it's optimally have a IP. Okay, after we configure the IP, we will test whether the wireless network can connect with other device. Here we use a smartphone device. Okay, first we go to setting and turn on the Wi-Fi. As you can, we can search the name of IP. Okay, we use Amicom, and the password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. We connected, and yeah, this is connected. Okay, we can try to googling, for example, Amicom. Oh yeah, and the internet has already used. You can also YouTube. YouTube. And that's it.
Hello, I'm Muhammad Karis Laksamana with name 22014907 as cameraman and video editor.
Hello, my name is Bakas Nur Faizi with NIM 22014905 as script maker and the operation tool.
Testing, test. Yuk. Okay. Before we setting mikrotik, we nih.